If you want to know how to make these really cute, simple Dollar Tree shadow boxes and Hobby Lobby items, then keep on watching. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this is another crafting video, and I finally have found time to get to Hobby Lobby, get my things that I need, and do this little craft. You guys might think that this is Christmas related, and it kind of may be, but my house is slowly turning into farmhouse, farmhouse decor. I do have a lot of reds and blacks in my home for my decoring, so I thought this would be really cute to make. And these are these little house shadow boxes that Dollar Tree put out. So I have a total of 4, and what I'm doing is I'm making initials of everyone that lives in our home, and I'm going to set them up throughout the house just so you know we know that we live here. Alright, so what you're going to need for this craft DIY is obviously a hot glue gun, which mine is warming up, glue sticks to your preference. I just use the one from the Dollar Tree right now. You are going to need the little shadow boxes if you can find them. And the next step that you're going to want to do is remove the back from your shadow box, and I'll get to that in a minute. You're going to need initials, obviously, to whom lives here. I still need to go back to Hobby Lobby and find a V. I looked in every section for a V. All the V's were sold out for Vanna, so I have no idea how many people that live here in my county with the name of V, but obviously a lot. All I'm using is scrapbooking paper, and I got this one in the color black and red buffalo checkered print, and then I got the red truck car with the Christmas tree. I got 2 of those because I want 2 of them to be that, and then I just got the black and white checkered buffalo print because I want, as you guys will see. And yeah, so that is what you'll need for the craft. The next thing that we're going to be doing is, I've already done this off camera, be very careful trying to remove this. I had to use a butter knife, and my husband was the one that actually took these all apart and made it come back to life. So as you can see, you are gonna have to clean up this, so I'll probably do this off camera, and let's get to the next step after I clean all these up and get them prepped and ready. Alright, so obviously our next step is tracing, so that's what we're going to be doing. So now all we're doing is cutting the stuff out. Alright you guys, so the next step is we are going to glue these down, and what I'm just going to use is some of my Elmer's washable glue, and let's see how this goes. Alright, you guys, so the next fun part, so I have all my things laid down, and the glue stuck to this pretty good, so it will work. You can use whatever you want. The next thing is going to be the fun part, is hot gluing the backs back on. Alright, you guys, so this is what we are looking at. Now that I'm looking at this, what I might do is possibly stain these in the future. I don't know, I have to see exactly how I feel. I did kind of mess up with like the edge right here, but oh well, I'm only human, and that's what that shadow box looks like. I think maybe if we painted these or stain them, they could possibly turn out a little bit looking better and make them look a little bit more rustic and older. But now what I'm doing is going in with our initials, and I'm just going to hot glue them into the center of these. Alright, you guys, and we are done. So this is the final look of these. Like I said, I did mess up the backing a little, but this is the shadow box, and I like how they turned out. So we have Sissy, which is my cat, and then we have Steve, which is my husband. And then we have Mindy, which is me. And like I said, you guys, for Vanna, this is Vanna's box, and I still have to find a V to put in here, and I'll have to be going back to Hobby Lobby soon here anyways, because I have some other things that I need to grab, and then I just need to grab that V also as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little simple Dollar Tree DIY. I know it kind of looks Christmassy, but that's not the way that I'm going. I'm just trying to keep my house as farmhouse looking as possible, because that's the theme I'm going with. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big huge thumbs up, and as always, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. You're beautiful, stay true to yourself, and don't let nobody tell you otherwise. See you guys. Alright, you guys, so this is what I ended up doing. Is my husband added a little shelf. Since this is like our little family wall, I decided why not add our initials to that. So that's what I ended up doing. I still need to find one, a V again for Vanna, and then this will be complete. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big huge thumbs up and smack that subscribe button if you are new. And I'll see you very soon in my next video, you guys.